Okay, next is router. Router means what? So router is a internet networking device. So as its name says, internet networking means it is used to connect two different networks with each other. Right? If you want to connect two different networks, then we have to need this router. If you want to connect same network, no need to router. You can use switch. By switch you can connect same network. But for different network, we have to need router. And in router, that having software that allow the router to move data from one network to another. Means that has the software. Software means in router also we have operating system and different companies like in Cisco. That is a very much popular. So in Cisco we have iOS, Internet Network Operating System, iOS that is available, and that is totally CLI based. Means we can run only command there, and by command we can configure. If you want to configure routing there, means I want to connect with specific network, so I can configure there. If I want to restrict, means we can create ACL there. Means we have multiple things there which we can configure there using that iOS, Internet Network Operating System. Then router works on layer 3 of OSI model. So it works on layer 3. That means it deals with IP address. IP address. That means everything which you will configure on the router. So that will be based on the IP address. Like if you want to restrict any network, any device, so we have to need the IP address of that device. If you want to restrict any network, so we have to need the IP address of that network. Or if you want to connect, or if you want to make the connection with any different network, so we have to need IP address. So it will work on this IP address. And for that, it has one table that is known as routing table. Routing table, right? Like switch. In switch, we have CAM table for the MAC address, but in router, there is routing table for the IP address. And suppose if you want to make the connection with any different network, so then we have to make one entry for that different network. Which entry of which network will be available in this routing table? Only with that network your router can make the connection, or your router can communicate with that network. If that entry or if that network is not available in this routing table, your router can't make the connection or can't communicate with that. Right? How to make the entry we will discuss, but for now you have to understand the concept there. And here are some manufacturing vendors which is popular, like Cisco is on first number, then Juniper, D-Link, Norton. That are some vendors. Right? Now let me know in router if you have any doubt.